So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you unable to install iOS 15 update and also an error occurring install iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone users also reported to unable to install iOS 15 update on iPhone and iPad, and also an error occurring installing iOS 15 problem show on iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. In this tutorial I will try to fix unable to install iOS 15 updates and also error occurring installing iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. Now in this video I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to fix your problems. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Now first one solution is disable VPN on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also scroll down and select the VPN options. If you any VPN connect, so guys please make sure turn off in your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now second solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now first of all open the settings app. In settings app you can see also first option is aeroplane mode. If you turn off, so guys please make sure turn on aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. Now wait for the sometimes, then again turn off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now third one solution is check your iPhone storage in your iPhone and iPad. Now open the settings app. In settings scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also iPhone storage options available. So guys, make sure tap on that. So guys, in iPhone storage you can see also if your iPhone storage is full, so guys please make sure unused apps, photos and videos delete on your iPhone and iPad. And also now again come back in settings and tap on the general and select the software update. You can easily download install iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. Fourth solution is most important. The solution is turn on and off your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down, tap on the general. In general you can see also last option is shutdown. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. The fifth solution is also important for your iPhone and iPad. The solution is reset network settings on your iPhone. So guys, please make sure follow the step. First of all open the settings app. In settings scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and select the second last option is reset options. Now you can see also third option is reset network settings. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset network settings and easy to fix your problems. Now solution 6 is turn off the low power mode in your iPhone and iPad. Lot of users use the low power mode on your iPhone. So guys, simply turn off. Now open the settings and scroll down, tap on the battery. In battery you can see also second option is low power mode. If you turn on, so guys please make sure turn off in your iPhone and iPad. Now solution 7 is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the settings, scroll down, tap on the general. In general second last option is reset options. In reset first option is reset all settings. Now enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset all settings and easy to fix your problems. Lot of users to say all the solutions apply on my iPhone but still not working. The last solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. If you using iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, so guys first of all tap on the volume down button and press the on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear, then release all the buttons and easy to fix your problems. Now if you using iPhone X series, 11 series and 12 series, so guys now first of all tap on the volume up button, then tap on the volume down button and also press the on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear, then release all the buttons in your iPhone and iPad and easy to restart your iPhone and easy to fix. This way too you can easily install iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so DM on Instagram. Thank you so much.